This presentation is about assembly lines in automobiles and how they affected the 1920s. In this video, we go to a few different places to show manned and automatic assembly lines.
The automobile has been a key force for change in the 20th century America. By the mid-1920s, it ranked first in the value of product above all other industries. On May 30th, in 1896, the first automobile accident involving death occurred in New York City on Broadway when Henry Wells hit cyclist Evelyn Thomas and killed him. August 5th, 1914, the first electric traffic light was installed in Cleveland, Ohio. The automobile ended rural isolation and brought urban amenities, most importantly, better medical care and schools, to rural America.
In the 1920s, the automobile became the lifeblood of the petroleum industry, one of the chief customers of the steel industry, and the biggest consumer of many other industrial products. The technologies of these industries, including steel and petroleum, were revolutionized by its demands.
1926, the Ford Motor Company announces the creation of a 40-hour work week for factory workers. It is the first American company to create a 5-day, 40-hour work week.
On December 1st, 1913, Henry Ford installs the first moving assembly line for the mass production of an entire automobile. His innovation reduced the time it took to build a car from more than 12 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Engines of the self-starter, the closed all-steel body, the high-compression engine, hydraulic brakes, manual transmission, and low-pressure balloon tires for the car came in the 1920s.
Ford, General Motors, and Chrysler emerged as the big three auto companies by the 1920s. The inventions of the automatic transmission and drop frame construction came in the 1930s. Henry Ford manufactured and sold about 15 million Model Ts by 1927.